I'm Gary Heilig, horticulture educator from Michigan State University Extension. Welcome to Smart Gardening. Today we're going to talk about soil testing. Plants require specific elements which we call nutrients in order to grow and produce high-quality fruits, vegetables, and flowers. They include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are the main ingredients in a balanced fertilizer mix, but also calcium, magnesium, boron, chlorine, sulfur, and others are required for good plant growth. The level of nutrients in a particular soil can vary widely depending upon the type and history of that soil. So a smart gardener will conduct a soil test to determine the crop's nutrient needs, thereby avoiding over or under fertilization. Applying the correct amount of fertilizer can save money and will help protect Michigan's water resources by reducing the amount of excess nutrients that may run off and end up in rivers, lakes, and streams. A gardener's ultimate goal should be to grow healthy plants without depleting the soil's nutrients or causing pollution. Soil testing is one of the ways to achieve this goal. Michigan State University Extension offers a soil test kit that can be obtained from the online Michigan State University Extension bookstore. Once at the site, select the soil test kit self-mailer icon or type soil test kit in the search box. Use a spade, hand trowel, or soil sampling probe to collect 10 to 20 random samples to a depth of 3 to 7 inches from the lawn or garden area. Each of these samples should be approximately 1/2 of a cup. If the soil is wet, let it air dry naturally before mailing. Mix all of the samples together in a clean container and place about 1 cup into the plastic bag and seal it tightly. Don't overfill the plastic bag or pour extra soil into the envelope. Fill in the information on the self-mailer form and be sure to print clearly and place it in with the sample in the postage-paid envelope and drop it into the mail. The results will be emailed to you in a few days. After receiving the results, go to msusoiltest.com and select the Understand Your Soil Test results bar. Then enter the soil test results code received in your email. This is a code for your personalized recommendations. There is a page to enter nutrient level information and the area of your garden. The nutrient recommendations are listed as actual pounds needed for the area you listed. Since various fertilizers contain different levels of nutrients, some simple math will be required to determine how much of a particular fertilizer should be applied. For example, if 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet of actual nitrogen are needed and you plan to use urea as the source, 6.5 pounds would be required. That's 3 divided by 0.46, which represents the percentage of nitrogen in the bag. If dried blood meal was selected as the nitrogen source, 23 pounds per 1,000 square feet would be needed to supply the same amount of nitrogen, since dried blood is only 13% nitrogen. Once your garden nutrient needs are calculated, you are ready to begin the planning for an environmentally friendly and smart garden. If you have questions or need further assistance, call the garden hotline at 888-678-3464. I'm Gary Heilig. Thanks for joining me on Smart Gardening.